Hey guys, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today I'm going to do an after the pen flip through in my memory planner. First I just want to kind of show you a little bit of how I do it. I have a separate planner where I list all of my to-dos, but I also list things that we did, just things that I want to write in my memory planner. So in this planner I will do, and I'm not using this one anymore, but just to give you an idea, because that's in another video. So what I do is kind of write down what we did, write down if I had, what my to-do list basically really is in here, and some of those to-dos will sometimes go into my memory planner. But so just so you know, I write very messy. This is kind of where I just, jot things down and keep track of what we're doing. So my memory planner, I try to be a bit more creative and neater when I write in it. So let me show you. In January, I didn't do any weeklies. I was on a trip, and by the time I got back and, getting back into a routine, I didn't do any weeklies in my memory planner. But I decided to go back through my to-do planner, my catch-all, and I wrote down, one thing that we did or kind of what the day was about for January in my monthly. I typically don't use my monthlies very much, and I'll show you what I started using them for, but I really love this. I think this was a lot of fun, and I would like to do it again in the future, so you might see that. This was some currently stickers from my planner shop. Here you can see I decorated it, but I didn't really use it because I decorated my my weekly pages. So in here, again, I just go through my other planner, and then I pick the things that I want to include, that I want to remember, just to fill up the page and make it look really fun. So there's that one. This one was a plan with me I did with some Target stickers, I think they were. Most of these spreads will have a plan with me video. I do have a playlist, so be sure to check that out on my channel. I'll try to put a link to the playlist too in the video description, so you can see how I created all of these and kind of see the before, before I wrote in it, because they really do look cute, and sometimes I hate to write on them just because I love how they came out. This one was a lot of fun. This one was for Valentine's Day, and I kind of did a couples theme. I did, the little worms, and then the birdies, the grasshoppers, the kitty cats. I thought that was really cute, and it was a lot of fun. These were Live Love Posh stickers. A beautiful purple theme, as you can see. I don't know much to say about this one. I think it was Spring something. I'm pretty sure. It's very vague, but it was a spring book from Live Love Posh. There is a plan with me for this one, and I really liked how I did this. I started tearing some washi underneath the boxes. This one looks really cool before the pen also. And here's my March currently. These are also currently stickers from my Etsy shop, Be Planner Happy. So here I had some of those left over, so I just kind of threw them in here. And if you notice, for some reason I didn't have a 13, so I just put the one there, but it's okay because I didn't really use this page. This one was one of my favorites for sure. This one it looks super cute before the pen, so if you get a chance, go look for that. That'll be on my Instagram, the before the pen for this one. And this one was, I can't remember, it was like one of those alternative sticker books. Like, I don't remember. Anyway, in this video, I talk about what stickers I used for this one. So this one was a lot of fun, and it was really pretty. And I liked how I used the big letters up there. All right, this one was really different from anything that I ever do. I tend to be more, colorful and cutesy type things. This one was for International Women's Day, and I decided to use, these are from the Washi shop. There is a plan with me for this video, for this spread, and I really liked how it came out. I did a black, gray, and brown sort of color palette, which is very different from anything I ever do. And I like how it came out. I was pleasantly surprised. I really didn't have high hopes for it, but it came out cute. So this one was, I think it was, St. Patrick's Day week, and I used, this is a sticker set from my shop for St. Patrick's Day, and I just picked a pink kind of, marker to do my big lettering in, and it's so fun to look at. All right, so this one, I was trying to do something a little different, and I decided to use these big, long, the side boxes. Typically, these usually go over here. I decided to do this, and then I created this little area in the middle with some flower stickers. And it looks really good. I like it. I just realized I spelled her name wrong. It's 2 L's, or is it 2 R's? She comes every 2 weeks. Let's see. Valerie. It's 2 R's. Anyway, no big deal. But yeah, that was fun. And I kind of I did 3 main things that happened on each day, like that. Just kind of different, trying to change it up a little bit. So here, I really liked this, so I did it again in this one. And this one was fun. There's definitely a plan with me for this one. This one was my my planner parade, or parade in my planner, because I made this like a road, and then they're all on vehicles. And this one was my favorite, the little goldfish inside the wagon, inside the bag. So cute. And then I kind of just set these guys up to where they were kind of looking at the parade, and they're all cheering, hey! So that one was a lot of fun. These the grass and the fence stickers are from my shop. So this was a currently. These are also from my shop on Be Planner Happy. Look at that kitty cat, how cute. So I was hoping for motivation to exercise, aren't we all? Okay, so this one was the sticker hunt, and if you've been following me, you know that this is done by Julie at Plans in the Making. She's got a wonderful channel. She is super creative. If you're not following her, you should be. She just comes up with the most amazing ideas. But anyway, this was a sticker hunt, and basically she puts out a list of stickers for you to find during the month, and you just put the sticker, you know, on each day. And it's a lot of fun, and it's a good way to kind of look through your stash, you know. Yeah. So yeah, that was that one. This was the Office theme for my son's birthday. He loves The Office, and we watched it a lot together when he was still living at home. And I got these stickers from Dollar Tree. These are actually, I think they're wall clings, I'm pretty sure. And I created these little speech bubbles, and I looked up quotes from them to see, except for this one, obviously. But apparently he said I'm a black belt in gift wrapping. And so it just kind of went with the, you know, it was a happy birthday theme, trying to be colorful, but also, you know, with something that Brandon likes, which is my son. It was his birthday. This was the week that we had the eclipse. My mom came over, we watched it outside. I decided I hadn't used this, I cannot remember, Celestial Dreams, I think it's called, the sticker book from Happy Planner. And this one's also not one that I would typically do. It was pretty dark. You know, I'm typically more of a colorful one, but it's nice to change it up every once in a while. And I had this moon washi that was, you know, I mean, when will I ever use that other than Eclipse Day? So I had done dark, so I really wanted something colorful. And my mom at the time was watching Game of Thrones. And so when I saw these dragon stickers, I thought, oh, that's cool, because we were discussing the show and everything. So anyway, they were on my mind. I created this this washi and box set. It is in my shop, and it's sort of like I don't know if you can see that. It's like little scales, little colorful scales. And I thought it was really pretty, and it went good with the, you know, all the different colors in the stickers. So that was this one. And this one was beautiful from, this was Self-Care. That's right, because it was the first time I was going to go get my hair colored in a really long time. Like, I hardly ever go to a salon. And finally, my gray hairs was really getting on my nerves, and I decided, all right, I'm going to go and get my hair done. And I also had a mani-pedi that week, and I was just like, oh man, you know, it's like a self-care week. So my hair turned out to be a total disaster. And, you know, if you've been following me, you know that whole thing. But there is a plan with me for this one, and it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it, and I thought it came out really pretty. This is the currently you can buy in my shop also. That one's just a printout. It's not stickers. You just print the page and write your stuff in there. So this one, I was looking for a way to decorate it, and you know, we have a lot of those icon stickers, and so I took these icon stickers in one of the Happy Planner sticker books, and I added little date stickers to them, and I used them as date covers, because this is an outdated planner, and I am redating it, so every month I have to figure out a way to date it, and you know, sometimes I like to get fancy. So this one was fun. This one was for Cinco de Mayo. I decided to do a margarita and taco party. Talk about a party. And these stickers, I think, were also in that book from Target. There is a plan with me for this one, so if you want to check that out. It was a lot of fun, and I had a lot of fun making this one. I thought it came out really cute too, and I love the red and the yellow. It's just a fun spread, fun and colorful. So this week we went and spent time with our granddaughter Luna, and we had such a nice time. So I used the baby girl sticker book from Happy Planner. This says actually it was like 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, but coordinated with the dates, so I just covered it with a little heart, and I just used those as the dates, 6, 8, 9, 10, and then there was something written here, I can't remember what it was, so I just covered it with those little flags. And then I wrote, you know, there was these little boxes that said she loves this, favorite toy, favorite moment, so just used it to kind of, you know, write down our memories from, oh, we went and stayed with her, and we were there for a few days, and it was really fun. It was fun, but we were worn out and out of practice of being with little kids, but it was nice. So this week it was fun. Why did I pick this one? I think it was, I don't remember if I was hoping or Alex. I can't remember. Oh, now I remember. Alex was having surgery. That's my oldest son. And when I saw this sticker set with these, it just reminded me of him and his childhood. There wasn't a Nerf gun that he didn't love to play with. And, you know, he also loved the water balloons and just fun stuff like that. So I decided, since it was kind of a serious week, I wanted a little bit of fun in my planner. And these reminded me of him and his youth, his childhood. So that's why I went with this. And it was, I don't think I did a plan with me for this one. I'm pretty sure I did not. Sorry about that. This one I did I do it for me? I think so. This one was inspired by my niece. She had come over, and she has a little YouTube channel herself, and she likes to put stickers in her planner, and I asked her to pick the theme for this week's planner, and she picked this kind of gamer girl sticker set, and I think this is from, I'm pretty sure it's Kelly Plan, Life and Leisure, pretty sure. Anyway, I'm sure I said which one it was in the Plan With Me video, and that one was a lot of fun. These are also from my shop. I accidentally deleted them from my shop, and they've been on my list to put them back. It's a currently sheet with these, you know, kind of summer themed boxes, and I just haven't put it back on, and I apologize for that. All right, so June, we're almost done. This one, I really liked the idea of the pineapples, so I went searching for some more icons. There was a whole page of these little penguins, so I got some date stickers, and I put those on did I say penguins? These are flamingos. There was a whole page of flamingos, and I put the date stickers on those and decided to use them. And this is from Happy Illustrations, I think. Yeah, so that's that. This one, it's gotten a whole lot of love. Let me tell you, this one was super popular on Instagram and Facebook. A lot of people like this spread, especially the before. I think it was because of this. I don't know. It just kind of spoke to a lot of people for some reason. And I was just looking at this one. I didn't do a plan with me. I was just trying to hurry up and do it because I feel like I've been behind on my planning for so long. And I decided to do this one real quick, and everybody loved it. And isn't that the way it goes? You know, you put a lot of thought into other ones, and they'll do okay. But then, you know, this one was a real quick one. I had this washi that has these dates in green, and that was kind of my you know, jumping off point. I knew I wanted to use these. They didn't all fit up here, so I thought, oh, well, let's put them over here. And now I wish I would have done like this. Like, it should have been like up, down, and then down. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. That bugs me. I wish I had done it the other way. So maybe I'll do another spread like this with the numbers, and I'll do it correctly. Anyway, that one was really, really popular. All right, so this one, I personally loved it. It was a struggle to find. These were from Summer Memories, Volume 2, I think, for Amber Plans for Day. Amber Plans for Day? Yeah. And it was just these fireflies in these, you know, containers. And I had such a hard time figuring out what color to do with them and what sticker set. And I saw these are Planny Thing stickers, I'm pretty sure. And I thought it looked like kind of nighttime, so I figured that would work, because I tried to do something bright with these and it didn't work right. It's got to be, you know, nighttime, right? Because these are fireflies. So anyway, I love this one. It was a labor of love to put it together, but it came out really pretty. I don't think I did a plan with me on this one. Did I? I don't know. I don't think I did. Anyway, all right, so this one I did because I live in Pensacola, and there were like a lot of shark attacks this week, and so that made me think of sharks, and I thought, hey, let's do a little shark spread. And I used this kind of waves scrapbook paper, or cardstock, whatever you call it. I don't think it's actually, it might be cardstock. Anyway, so I just used those, and then I thought this kind of matched, and I don't know if you can see that. Sometimes you just can't see the colors really good. This color is kind of like it's a green, but on the camera it's not really looking green. But anyway, that's why I went with the green and with this washi, because it's like blue and green. Anyway, it was fun. I liked it. Very cute. All right, this was a plan with me. This one was when you need a spread or you need to decorate your planner and you just want to hurry, but you still want to make it cute. It was kind of like one of those go-tos. You just take your flower stickers, cut them in half, put some at the top, some at the bottom, and then line with some washi, and you're done. And it's pretty, and you know, you can make a really pretty spread just by following that kind of formula. And I'll probably do that again because again, it's really easy and it's really pretty. So, and this one was my last plan with me. I had so much fun doing this one. These were stickers from Dollar Tree. These are actually poster board stickers. And then these were just like a little package of end pack stickers, you know, and it was just these shoes. And whenever I see packets like that, they're really easy to make like a themed planner spread because, you know, everything kind of matches in the sticker book, and you can use that to create, you know, whatever you want. Anyway, this washi was from my the blue washi's from my shop. And then we've got July. I know I'm done because this video is just to June, but I did want to show you my July sticker hunt page because I finally got all the stickers and I put them in, and this was just fun. And I wish there was, maybe I'll go back and see if someone did a sticker hunt like for May, because Julie from Plans in the Making, she only does them seasonally. But I know there are other, you know, planner people that do sticker hunts, so I might do a little hunt of my own for finding sticker hunts for the other months because it's just fun. And I don't use that page for anything, so I think this is a good way to use it. It's just fun to go and look through all my sticker books to find all of the sticker hunt challenges. And these were from my shop, the waves. I didn't put the sharks in my shop. I don't know why I didn't think other people would want to do the shark theme. So if you want to do the shark theme, let me know. I'll send you the little shark. It's just little triangles. So yeah, that was this first half of the year. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of my After the Pen planner spreads. I hope it gives you some ideas for your own memory planner or even your own catch-all. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.